Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a goldfish cracker. So, to start off with our goldfish, we want to begin with the top. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just curves up, and then it's going to go down like this. Then, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to curve the front, and I'm going to go down and then back up like this. Then, I'm going to go down and then draw a line that goes up and then kind of curves around. Then I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves in, and then I'm going to curve this back up and down like that. Then, right here, I'm going to draw a little black dot for the eye. And then right here, I'm going to draw a big line that just kind of curves up. And I'm going to bring it back down so it's a little bit darker for the smile. And there you go. There's your drawing of a goldfish cracker. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.